Hello and welcome back to my channel. I promised to continue the Odyssey and here I am, keeping that promise. In this adventure-filled video, what is left of off-road hunters, me and Mr. Vishnu are headed towards the beautiful Kailasagiri hills. This adventure, unlike others, is filled with plot twists and unexpected events.
Mr. Vishnu is trying to do some stunts to get the drone down. Let's wish him luck. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ. ಏ ಡೂಡ್, ಅದು ಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೀನು ಡ್ರೋನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
So we finally started on the ride. To reach the Kailasagiri hills, you either take Bangalore to 𝗗𝗶𝗀𝗶𝗶𝗃 route or Bangalore-Devanahalli-Kaivala route. We decided to take the latter through H-Cross, which is filled with lush greenery and many reserved forests. There are several lakes in this route as well, and this particular one was truly breathtaking. Villagers visit this lake for fishing, as luckily this lake is still unpolluted and pristine, and is awaiting the vicious human touch. Who knew I'd be stuck in a unique kind of traffic today? We had covered most of the distance and were getting closer to the Kailasagiri Betta with a crisp morning air greeting us warmly.
Check out my backdrop.
Let me adjust it for you guys.
I hope you guys can see it. We are in Kaivala. We are only 8 more minutes away from the Kailasagiri Betta.
The towering hills on the left were calling out to me, urging me to turn left and capture their true beauty through Lucy's lens. And with that, we made the left turn. Little did we know, some real excitement awaited us on this very path. Finally, Lucy spread her wings and soared high, revealing the grandeur of the Kaivala's hills. Instead of simply showcasing the scenery and returning, Lucy had something else in store for us.
You're overconfident and I hid the drone somewhere. We have to go search for it. It's not coming back. I took it somewhere there inside, man.
Totally worried about losing my first ever drone, that too which is still on EMI, we headed inside in search of Lucy. Thank God for the inbuilt GPS feature, we figured out the location.
The drone is stuck on top, man. It's not moving at all, despite shaking it a lot. Come on, Vishnu, you can do it. Yes. गिर जाता हूँ ना, ट्रीज गिर जाता नीचे. ಸೈಕ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ. ಏ ಡೂಡ್, ಅದು ಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೀನು ಡ್ರೋನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? See till where Mr. Vishnu has climbed. This is some other level psychedelic shit.
ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತವ ಇದು.
ಅದು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಗಿಂಬಲ್ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
2000 years later.
Mr. Vishnu with his ingenious ideas got the drone back. So thank you, Mr. Vishnu.
You're always welcome.
Look at the pipe technique. Pipe is just hanging there only. So we'll have to escape here. Escape from here. Can't take risks.
Yes.
We'll got my drone back.
Congratulations, brother.
Okay. So we head back towards the Kailasagiri Betta with Lucy back with us. Welcome back, Lucy. I hope it's not got damaged heavily. The gimbal seems fine. I don't know how I missed the thing, man. Oh, it has got hurt here. Let's see where now it's got hurt. All of a sudden I lost the signal and Lucy went and landed in one of the trees. A great start to the Kailasagiri adventure. A small side scenes, Lucy's gimbal was stuck. But luckily it looks like it isn't anything major. So with that, on that positive note, let's continue on our journey. Kailasagiri Betta is around 15 minutes from the place where we have halted.
Memorable Betta.
Huh?
Memorable Betta.
So we headed towards our destination finally. And only when you and I thought nothing can go wrong now, this happened. Located just 65 kilometers away from Bengaluru, the Kailasagiri Hills is a treat for adventure fanatics. The place is famous for Karnataka's great poet Sri Yogi Kaiwada, who is believed to have meditated at these hills. Kaiwada also has various stories attached to Ramayana and Mahabharata. A small zoo and a natural park is also maintained by the forest department with few animals and birds. The main destination for us isn't the small trek these hills offer, but perhaps this crazy ass off-road. Even though majority of the vehicles can make this adrenaline-filled climb, it's always better to go with someone in case of unexpected events. Filled with loose sand, rocks and dust, it feels otherworldly here on this lovely hill. Post the ascent, you reach the hilltop where you find a small temple with basic arrangement for the pilgrims. But as off-road hunters, we had to go till where the road ends. another adventure comes to an end. Hoping for another adventurous day minus the mishaps, I promise the Odyssey will return.